Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Living with Perks, and today I have another unboxing video for you. Today we're going to be unboxing the YitaHome computer desk. I saw this desk on Amazon and it had different tiers to the actual desk itself, so I thought that was really awesome. There's something that really interested me because I use multiple monitors. I have a lot of like little action figures, pop Funkos, and all that cool stuff that I like setting up on my desk. And I think having the different levels to it is kind of a cool idea because I can put my monitors on the top and all my collectibles and printer and mouse, keyboard, everything else on the main surface. So I picked up this YitaHome desk for $99 on Amazon. Seemed like a great deal versus the competitors out there or buying from, a big box store like Staples or Office Depot. And it's free shipping, so why not? If you like the products from YitaHome like I personally do, I recommend to check them out. They have a lot to offer, various home items. They have stuff for the patio, they got stuff for vehicles, just a ton of different things that are high quality and they actually are very affordable. So I recommend checking out their store on Amazon. Like I said, tons of stuff to offer and great deals. So let's get right to it. We're going to unbox this thing and do a time lapse of me setting it up, and I'll give you my final thoughts after we get it all assembled. So right off the bat, packaged all nicely, styrofoam over everything. Hopefully there's no dings or dents, but we'll find out in due time here. Comes with the assembly instructions. Looks like it's probably about 10 pages worth of material, but do want to showcase, just like their previous product that I bought, the gaming chair, very simple, easy to read instructions. Steps 2, 3, all the way to 10. So just as I thought, 10 steps, 10 pages. Seems pretty easy to follow. Everything on here points to where it goes. So you grab your bolts and everything and just put everything together. Very simple. Alright, so I got everything unpacked. It looks like with all the supplies it comes with, does come with the screwdriver, little wrench, and the little twisty for the nuts and bolts. So everything is nicely labeled, has letters on it, numbers on the actual pieces, so should be fairly simple to assemble. Do note that if you receive this product and it does say it's a 47-inch desk, it's not. It's 55-inch, just like Amazon states. So I'm very happy that I got the correct size, and rest assured you will get the right size as well. Might be just a misprint on the box, but by all means check your sizes of everything before you assemble. That way if you have to send it back, you have it all disassembled and easy to pack back in the box. Let's get to building this thing. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. This is the YitaHome computer desk with the second tier for the monitors. Bottom surface is going to be for the keyboard, mouse, printer, whatever else you want. We got shelves on the left hand side. This would be nice for some decor, some baskets, whatever you want. The right hand side is for the computer tower. I think that's going to work just fine down there. So this is what we have. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks. I'll have a link to this product in the description. Check it out if you want one for yourself. Very nice desk. And as always, I thank you for watching. See you next time. What I wanted to do here is I wanted to give my final thoughts and impressions of the product since we didn't get to see it all set up with my stuff. But this is what it looks like, and I just want to say that overall the instruction manual it came with is very concise and clear. It was very simple to install. The metal frame in the desk is very stable, and the wood board is very thick, and color is overall great looking. I'm really happy with the product that came, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone searching for a computer desk. Nice size and overall superb quality. Thank you guys for watching.